So Hurricane Milton has undergone explosive, rapid intensification over the past 12 to 6 hours or so. Now it is a full-blown Category 5 hurricane, about as visible of an eye as you can get. The winds are at 160 miles per hour, and it will stay as a Category 5 hurricane through today, crossing the northern tip of the Yucatan Peninsula through tomorrow. And then it's going to make landfall at Florida as a Category 3 hurricane Wednesday afternoon. With destructive storm surge, winds, tropical tornadoes, you name it, all the hazards are on tap for Florida. So if you got any loved ones down there, they must heed evacuation alerts and make sure that they are putting their hurricane plans in place, to say the very least. Luckily, it's not going to be impacting us, though, staying well to our south, so no worries on that end. We got some clearing skies looking live at Salisbury, downtown Salisbury at Unity Square, but there's still some cloud cover in Ocean City, quite overcast over there. But I do expect more sunshine to come into the picture later on this afternoon. Temperatures are in the lower to mid 70s right now. It's 77 in Dover. Joan Bishopville reporting 64 degrees at around 10 a.m. this morning. And we got Jean in Reliance reporting 75 degrees at this current hour. But it is a bit muggy out there, especially the further south you are. Still dew points in lower to mid 60s, so that is within that humid range, but some drier air is moving in. We got a cold front sliced across the peninsula, so these clouds are going to move on out, and it will just give way to some fair weather cumulus clouds this afternoon. It should be a mostly sunny day by then. So this is going to push on through. High pressure straight from Canada will move in, and that's going to set the stage for fantastic weather for the rest of this week. Much dry air moving in, dew points in the 40s and 30s. So the bottom line is that humidity just isn't going to be a concern for the rest of the week. A crisp fall type air mass will be in place all the way through Friday and even into the weekend as well. I don't want to jinx it, but we may even have to retire this graphic for the rest of the season. Again, we'll see. But bottom line is that humidity just is not going to be a concern for the rest of this week at the very least. So here's 6 p.m. tonight. We got mostly sunny skies out there. Tonight will be mostly clear, and tomorrow's going to be a very sunny day. It will be noticeably cooler, though. High temperatures only in the lower 70s, maybe even a few upper 60s across the board as well. By the time we get to tomorrow, it's going to be another Wednesday, I should say. Another very sunny day as well. Barely cloud in the sky and still going to be a cool day out there. High temperatures in the lower 70s. And by the time we get to Thursday, the high temperatures will be in the upper 60s. And we got a multiple round of nights with lows in the 40s as well. So definitely going to be a fall feel out there for the rest of this week. So for today, 73 to 78 degrees, the humidity will be dropping. Winds will shift to a more northwesterly direction, and it will be noticeable at times, gusts around 20 miles per hour. Tonight, it will definitely be a bit of a chillier go out there, 48 to 53 degrees for tonight. Under a mostly clear sky out there, lots of sunshine painted into the forecast for the next several days. We got lower 70s for Tuesday into Wednesday. Gets a bit cooler by Thursday. Could be some high thin cirrus clouds from the hurricane on Thursday. The high temperature is 65 degrees, 67 by Friday, and we will warm up a little bit by the time we get to this weekend. Still a lot of sunshine in the forecast. The high temperature will be rising into the mid 70s. Jordy?